Good night, everyone. I'm a bit late tonight on my trading. I was supposed to start at 7. However, I had some errands to do. But welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for the likes and the subscription, and also the comments. I appreciate you guys. If you want me to make more videos, just recommend my channel. Now, yesterday's video I explained to you my strategy how to trade OTC. As you can see, I am still currently trading OTC market, but I told you that I would have started from the top to let you guys know the settings. So the first thing I have here is my 200 EMA. It's in the style red. It's 3px because I want that line thick. Now my second indicator that I have is another moving average, which is the 10 EMA, and that is the color of purple. Now I have my zigzag setting set on 5, 12, and 3. Alright, and I have my other moving average of 50 EMA, which is this white line, and I set it at 2px. I don't really need it to be thick. Now I told you guys yesterday that you could use the Bollinger Bands or you can use the Keltner. I use the Keltner because it's a lot tighter than the Bollinger Bands, but if you use it based on the market condition. So if you look at the market and you have the Keltner and you see that the candles are going way out and come back in, you can switch it to the Bollinger Bands. But for now it's a Keltner, and these are the settings for the Keltner: 20, 10, and 2. Now as you can see, guys, I'm on Amazon. Oh, the stochastic as well. It is just, it's default settings. So that's the setup, guys. Now that I've shown you the setup, guys, I'm going to show you how to do market analysis. Now I'm not going into this market because, as you can see, it's a bit choppy, but I can already tell that this is a downtrend because we can see that the candles are below the 200 EMA. Also, another signal to say that it's actually a downtrend is the direction in which the Keltner is going. We realize the Keltner channel is going down, so we know that in this type of markets we're looking for puts. Alright, now as I said, I don't usually trade these markets. I can trade them, but I like to go for the trade that I'm sure of, or I'm almost sure. Now with that being said, I'm gonna look for some setups. Hopefully we can get a couple in tonight, guys. It's a Thursday night. I'm gonna look for my setup on these pairs. So far I'm not seeing anything that's obvious and catchy, because as I said, sometimes you go in these markets and as you go in there you see something that looks good, but that's just the market playing with you. You need to just take at least 5 to 10 minutes, just go through and look at what you're doing. Based on what I'm seeing, the setup that I showed you guys yesterday, I'm not seeing it happening today, based on my observation so far. This is a good setup, guys. If you look at this setup, you can see that it's below the 200 EMA, but one thing you can notice just by looking, the candles are going down. That's signal 1, signal 2 below the 200 EMA, but it's not bouncing off the 10 EMA today, it's bouncing off the 50. So this is the reason for the 50, guys, because I know you guys have been wondering what's the reason for the 50. It doesn't always bounce off the 10 EMA, it bounces off the 50 as well. So that's why I have the two of them. So if you realize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, it bounces off the 50. Alright. So as I said, I take my time when I analyze and I go through. And I'm never risking more than 2% of my account, guys, as I told you earlier. 2% of my account is the max that I'm risking. As I said, I started with $60 on this account, but I'm just showing you like how to build small accounts, because people are saying that you can't do it, but you actually can. So I'm showing you guys every day with this silly last account. Oh, our setup is right here. See, this is happening all day on this. But however, we're getting mixed signals on this one, because if you look closely, this is an uptrend, right? and it's way above the 200. It's bouncing on the 8 EMA, but if you look currently what's happening right now, it's crashing on the stochastic oscillator. The oscillator tells you the momentum of the market, so you don't want to go in the market right now and it's on its way down. So I would wait for a couple more candles before I enter. So for that, I'm going to start Pfizer because that's the one I'm looking at. I'm waiting on, I should say. When the market looks this choppy, I don't even think about going in there. No matter how sweet it kind of looks or obvious, I like to look for trades that are, really, fit my style and my strategy. As I said, guys, I'm a patient trader, so I can be on here for a while before I find even one trade. I don't believe in rushing in trading, because when you do that, you waste your money. You want to take the highest probable trade that you can. I had to admit I was on here earlier. I already hit goal, but I'm just coming on here because I promised you guys like I would show you a 1 on 2 trades, because I hit goal earlier today. I'm at $74 now, which is the goal for the day. And really and truly, I wasn't supposed to be trading, but I went on just to look what was going on, and I saw a setup that was perfect and I just took it. Let's go into currencies to see what's happening in currencies. As I said, guys, it's not always on the stocks. It can be on currencies, OTC. You just gotta find a setup that you like and work with it. This looks like a nice setup. See, the stochastic is going up. We're in an uptrend. It came down here and bounced, but I would wait for this red candle to come back down to about here before I go in. If it comes back down to down here, that line right there, I will take the trade. But it looks like it's let me zoom in for you guys. It looks like it's gone, but I'll wait for it to reverse. I'm waiting for that 30-second. It's giving us the pullback. Today about the pullback, guys. I took it. Remember I told you about the pullback on the candles. Right now we are not in profit. We're just waiting. This is our first trade of the night. Hopefully we end in victory, but it's not working with us. Alright, so we didn't make that one, guys. We took a L in that one. That's fine. It does that sometimes. As I said, it's not perfect, but let's look for something else. Whenever I take a L on a chart, I just move on. I don't even wait for another setup on that chart. Wow, these are some nice setups. We were just, see, I told you guys, if I was here at like 7, I would have caught all of this, but now the market's all choppy. I'm sorry, I had to really do some things on the road today. Let's go check back Pfizer to see what's going on. Oh, it's taking a nosedive. This is going to continue down. Wait for that pullback and then it's going to continue down. But I don't like to bet against the trend. If I was a betting man, I would not bet against the trend, because you never know. This is my second trade. If it doesn't go my way, I have one more. If it doesn't go my way, I have one more. didn't go my way, guys. That's 2 L's for the night. This is a good setup. Fell right off the wagon right here. We just need to wait until it comes back up here. We gotta look for something that's perfect. So we're 2-0 for the night, guys. And I'm showing you guys these L's. I'm not even gonna cut this out of the video because I want you guys to understand the real logics of trading. Like, you don't always win. You have to find a strategy, stick to it, and then based off that, you know. Guys, my laptop died, so the stream went blank. Apologies for that. My apologies for that. I'm not seeing any setups. I don't know, every time I come to stream there's no setups. But I'm still looking. I'm looking. This looks like a good one. I'm waiting for that pullback. Wow, looks like it's not monetized, guys. Oh, we got it. We got it, guys, at the last minute. We got it. I still think it's going down. Still think it's going down. And for those who are wondering why I entered that trade twice, I'm going to tell you why. If you look at the stochastic oscillator right here, it's turning down, right? And it came back up to the 10 EMA, as I told you guys. And then, after I came up to the 10, it just shoot back down. I still think it has a way to go. I'm waiting for it to pull back up. That's our second, so that's 2-2, guys. As I said, it just takes patience. So hopefully when we get that next candle, we get a pullback, come all the way up here, and then let's see from there. So that's 2-2. Let's see if we can get that strong pullback up to at least this white line. If we get it up to the white line, we're taking it in there. But we gotta be patient. It's 50. No, we need it up to here. If we get it up to here, we can go. We can enter. Still pushing. Still pushing. Still pushing. Surpassed. Still pushing. I'm taking it. Oh, I missed it, guys. I missed it, yo. I missed it. It came all the way up to the 10, and I completely missed it, yo. I completely missed that entry. You see, guys, it came all the way up to the, let me zoom in somewhere. You see, it came all the way up to here. So that's 3 and 2. You see what I tell you, guys? It came all the way up to here and just bolted down back. No, this is the end of it, because as you see, it's almost touching that 6. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the stochastic settings, the upper band must be 92. How did I not say that? 92, the bottom band is 6. You know, guys, but we completely missed that trade, yo. You know, as I say, this is the last one. If we win this one, it's gonna be magical, because it's almost at the 6. It normally turns at the 6. You know, so you know, bam, and we in there again, people. What did I say? What did I say? You gotta be patient in these markets. We're 4 and 2, yo. You gotta be patient. If you're not patient, the same for you. You know, this is 4 and 2. If you ain't patient, this ain't for you, bro. I told y'all, like, you gotta just wait for the setup. Once you catch that setup, I got 4 trades in a while ago, right? I lost 2 and I won 4. I got 4 trades in, guys, right? 4 in the space of what? 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. I think it's like a minute and 30. Alright, so that's what I'm telling you guys. You gotta be patient. You see it's flirting with that line again, that 10. See, we got one more opportunity, but I wouldn't take this one because it's at the reversal point right now. So you see what I'm telling you? So what did we look for? We look for the Keltner channel going down, the 200 EMA. It's flirting with this 50 EMA. We look for our entry points, which is this right here. So as I said, I wouldn't enter right now because it's on the reversal, and we look for that going down right here. So you see, we got 4, so we're 4 and 2. And let me tell you this, you only need 3 trades to make 5% of your account if you're trading at 2%. Let me say that again. You only need 3 winning trades to make 5%. Alright? And that's what I keep telling you, people. You don't have to sit on here and making a 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 trade. You just need 3 solid trades. Remember I was telling you about that reversal? See? Market reversing. That's why I told you I wouldn't enter at that point. You get me? So you just need to sit on here and take some quality time and just, you know, do what you gotta do. You know, there's money in these markets. People say don't trade OTC. Psh. Bro, I live on OTC. I do. I don't trade nothing else but OTC. Because I can make my bag and just call it a day. I used to trade regular pairs, and then I got tired. I was like, I lost. Like, I can't predict what people do, but the market follows a structure with OTC. I know what the machine is thinking. So that's just my advice. This is a good setup. This is a good setup. But as I said, I've already hit my quota for the day, so I ain't even going no more. I'm gonna be honest with you. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the day. Tell me what you guys like. If you want to see me do one more session of this practice show you guys, let me know. So that's gonna be it for the day. I'm out.